Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot CRM app on iPhone in USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Locate the App Store icon on your home screen and tap it. Once the App Store opens, look for the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap the search bar to activate it. Type HubSpot CRM into the search bar. Press the search button on your keyboard. Wait for the search results to load. Find the HubSpot CRM app in the list of results. Make sure it's the correct app by checking the logo and developer name. Tap the Get button next to the app. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You can also find the app on your home screen. After opening the app, you may need to log in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account if needed. Now you're ready to use the HubSpot CRM app on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.